This tool set comes with 2 sockets. It can be used in 3 sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch. When reaches 80% of the torque, the buzzer sounds once and the green LED lights up. When reaches 90% of the torque, the buzzer sounds at an increased frequency and the yellow LED lights up. When reaches 100% of the torque, the buzzer sounds continuously and the red LED lights up. When setting the torque, the Workpro digital torque adapter is quick and easy to set up. Not only that, this digital torque adapter has many other functions: query stored values, unit switch, mode switch, set 500 groups of torque value.